In this video, you're going to learn how you can work with tables in Google Docs to organize data like this. If you want to insert a table in your Google Docs, you can just click on the insert. And on the insert here, you are going to see that you have the table option. When you follow it to the right, you're going to see that you have the options to insert the number of columns you want to have and also the number of rows down here. And this expands depending on how you want it to. So in this case, I'll just select 4 columns and just 2 rows for starters. But in the case that you want to have more rows on your table, you can just bring the mouse to the left side here. You're going to see the insert one row below. When you click there, it's going to insert one row down here. If you want another one, you can just come here and click just like that. If you want to insert another column here, you can just bring the mouse on top. You're going to see insert one column right. When you click there, it's going to insert a column to the right side. When I do this, because we want to have the structure like the one on top here, you can just bring the text from the top here into the table like that. From here, you can see that this is organized, but if you want to have the accurate design of this data on top here, these columns are adjustable. You can adjust the width and the height of this. So to adjust the width of a column, you can just bring the mouse on the line. You're going to see this double-sided arrow. This means you can click and you can hold and you can push this to the left or to the right. So here I want to push this to the right side, so it is going to align the text in the straight line with the text on top like that. And so everything that I'm going to have below this expenditure is going to be in the same column, straight column like the text or the data above. And so that's also the same for this income here. And if we also want our prices to be in the same column like the data on top, we can just push this as well, right, like that, so that every time we type anything here is going to be in that same column. That's also the same for this side. You can just push this so everything looks like that. You can use the table to actually organize data. Here I'm going to show you how you can get rid of these borders in the case that you don't want them. You're going to click any cell on this table, then you're going to see the more option button here. When you click there, you're going to see the table options. When you click here, you're going to see that you have more options to play with here. You can just play around with these and see what they do, but in this case, you're going to click on this color option. When you click there, you're going to see that you have the table borders and the size, and also you have the background. So here the color is black, and this is the color that we're seeing around these cells. If you want to change that, you can come here, you just click there, you're going to see a different number of colors that you can choose from. If you want to just temporarily hide this, you can click on the whites, and this is going to hide this. And so you can just see the data instead. But in my case, I actually do want the color to come back here, or let's say I want to change the color to something like red. But also, if you want to play around with the size of this outline, you can just click on this table border width. When you click there, you can choose the width of the outline. If you want it to be 1, if you want it to be maybe 3, so you can see how thick, how big it is, how big it looks. And here you can also change the background color of the selected cell. If you want all the cells to have a different background, you can highlight all the cells together. Then you can come here and actually choose the color of your choice, and so you have all the cells changing to that color that you chose. To just maybe make it look better, you can come here and say maybe this is going to be white, and so you can see that now this table looks even more better now. And here, if you want to move from one cell to the other, you can use the arrows to go down. Maybe if you want to go to the right, you can use the right arrow key to go to the next cell, just like that. You can move into different cells on a table using the navigational keys, the arrow keys on the keyboard, or you can just use the mouse to click the cell that you want to manipulate or edit. This is simply how you can work with tables in Google Docs. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.